Answers to many of your zoning and planning questions can be found right on the Norristown website. Simply go to norristown.org, then hover over Departments, and select the Planning and Municipal Development page. From there, you'll have access to the Comprehensive Plan. You'll have access to the Zoning Ordinance and the Subdivision and Land Development Ordinance. These three documents create the foundation for all of the zoning regulations and planning activities that occur in the municipality of Norristown. For more detailed or specific information, we've recently added a zoning interactive or an interactive zoning map. Simply click on zoning, and the interactive map will appear. You can zoom in on the map, and you can zoom out. And as you can see, it's multicolored because each different color represents a different zoning district. And within every zoning district are a different set of regulations. If you have questions about a specific property, one that's next to you and you think something's going on or you're interested in it, or about your own property, go to the address bar, type in the address. Addresses to choose from will drop down. Just select the one you want and you'll be taken to that parcel. So once there, click on the dot and the search result comes back telling you there's more information. Follow the arrow, and now it's telling you the zoning for that parcel. So this parcel is in the TC zoning district. So if I want to know what I can and cannot do in the TC district, I need to go and click on the TCE code. The regulations for that district come up. It includes the permitted uses, uses that are permitted by special exception, which means you have to go to the zoning hearing board. It also includes dimensional criteria, how high a building can be, how wide a lot has to be. If there are additional regulations, it will also be listed. So you want to scroll through the whole section. The E-code opens up in a different tab, so you don't have to click back and start all over. You can simply go back to the original tab up at the top, and it takes you back to the map. So if there are multiple addresses you want to explore, simply type in the next address. Click on the address you want, and it takes you to it. Click further on it, and then follow the arrows. This parcel, the municipal building, is in the TC2 district. This district has its own set of regulations, and as you can tell, it's also a different color on the map. We've also added more information about the Planning Commission, the Zoning Hearing Board, and the Design Review Board. So if you click on the Planning Commission, or any one of them, it takes you to a different interactive map, which has all the 2019 applications. They're coded by the Design Review Board, Zoning Hearing Board, Planning Commission, and these are past and current applications. For more information on a specific application, click on the icon. So Planning Commission passed. This went to the meeting on May 13th, 50 West Brown Street, Norristown. So if you want more information about that, this gives you the agenda. And then you go back, scroll further down, and it's going to give you the minutes from the meeting. You can look on the minutes, follow the discussions, and then actually look at the motion that was made. for that specific application. You can do the same for the current applications. This application does not have a meeting date because, as the notes say, the plans are being revised. But you can also access the actual application, the municipal engineer's review, as well as the county planning commission review. We update these on a routine basis, and are continuing to try to add more of the documents that the members, when considering the applications for a recommendation or a decision, have at their hand, so that you can also see what they're looking at. So if you want to know, maybe not about a specific property, but you want to know just generally what's going on in Norristown, we keep saying there's so much going on. So we've added a projects map. And this really is focusing 2019. We're taking a snapshot right now. So again, you can zoom in. And we're telling you that the red dots symbolize the currently ongoing projects, and the blue dots symbolize completed projects. But if you want to know what were those projects, so this is 1529 DeKalb Street, residential stacked townhomes, 34 of them. So you'll get an overview. This was 1200 Markley Street. This was a ceramic shop that came in, relocated from Philadelphia to commercial. So we will keep updating this as well. This is the Markley Street reconstruction. For the infrastructure projects, we did include, if you scroll down, some background information that you might find helpful. The last thing we've updated is our calendar. All of these, the Planning Commission, Zoning Hearing Board, the Design Review Board, we've also tried to include all of that in a calendar so that you can access the information multiple ways. These are the upcoming meetings. And normally, as it gets closer to the meeting date, the agenda would be uploaded so you could see that. The application will be there, but right now that the information isn't available. But it should be uploaded by the end of next week. So we strongly suggest you just keep checking back to the website, use these tools, and provide us with any feedback you have. Thank you.